Good morning, traders. Well, we can see what happened here, but just let me go back here. Would have been a lot easier to trade over here, than in here. Yes. Just let me show you a couple of them. There was a couple. Okay, there's higher highs, and there's slanted down lower lows. Turned up on the indicator, which indicates it's easy to see bearish. Right there, divergence. And down it would have went. All the way down here. And then we had more divergence, of course. And it was hidden divergence. So we take it from here to here. Just like that. And from this little blue mountain right down to there, let's say. It's divergent, and we would have been a seller right in here. As soon as you see the moving averages separate from each other and there's a gap in between them, you're good to go. See? Right here, the gap. That's very important of this trading system. Very important. And then we had a double bottom, as you can see here, but the 5 never crossed up here, so there was never a trade or anything, a bad trade. But I guarantee you whippersnappers, I guarantee you were buying it in here, thinking, oh, it's going to go up. And there was divergence, okay, from here to here and from here to here. It was divergent, but it was a fake out. Because as you can see, they slam dunked it down. Came back up into the moving averages like it usually does. Then they really slam dunked it down. Then bought it right back up just to throw a curveball at you. Yeah, come on. That's what they're doing. Constantly, all day long. What is this thing doing jumping around? Oh, nothing. It's not doing anything. Anyway, back to this. So where's the divergence here? Well, it's right here. Low and lower low. Okay, right there, it's divergent. But what did not happen? Well, it did actually happen over here. But, geez, I'm out of like a... My brain froze, I'm sorry. It's fucking frozen with aluminum. Cold aluminum is very cold. It numbs the brain. Yeah, I'm fucking laughing at my fucking... I won't go there. Laughing at my injuries when it's serious shit and shouldn't laugh at them. But anyway, there was no trade for this right here, okay? And it passed, and it came back down. But if you did get in, you would get in just above these wicks right here, okay? And here's the... Let me draw that on there for you so you know what I'm referring to. See, there's that divergence right there. But remember, the 5 has to be above the 7 for there to be a buy trade. So if you bought just above that wick and you held on to it for like 2 minutes or 1.5 minutes, you would have done good. Then what did they do? They fucking smacked it right back down. That's what they did. To get you. To get your stops, whatever they could see there, they did it to get you. Okay? So here's the next trade. And it's this double bottom right here. So it would have got you in this trade right here, and it would have been okay. It would have went up. You would have made money. Okay? You would have made money. Yes. There was no trade in here because if I looked at the 2-minute, I'm sure there was no... I use the 1 minute to trade off of, and the 2 minute to make sure I'm on the right side. And the moving averages on the right side. The 5 being above, la-di-da. See those 3 things I gotta look at before I jump in a trade? You need to do the same, okay? So anyway, what happened after this? Well, not too much. There is divergence though. I'll show you the one trade. From here to here. It's a long one. It was a long grind up too. See how they brought it down here first to get everybody, you know, in that same selling, thinking mode? Yeah. Because it's went down for the last 3.5 fucking days. That's why they did that. And then they just bought it up. Just to throw you another fucking curveball. That's what they do. Okay. We finished drawing this divergence. It's right here like that. And you would have got short right in here. And it was a good trade. It went down for you. Okay? Yep. So there was 1, 2, 3. There was 4 trades. See them? There they all are. 4 arrows means 4 trades. All right. Let's bring that chart back to the current price movement. Okay. So that was the 1 minute. Was there any trades on the 2 minute? Well, let's change it to 2 and see. Oh yeah. There was trades. Let me draw them out for you. It's right there. So if you bought it here, well, guess what? They rammed it right back down. The fuckers. And yeah. If this, you know, crash down didn't scare you out, then, you know, you're lucky. And you stuck with it and it kept going because it never hit your stop. If you would have bought right here, okay, it never hit your stop because your stop was right here at the swing low. It came close, but it didn't hit it. And they bought it back up with a vengeance. All the way up. Do. Okay? And there's trade number 2. Okay? Right there. So right as soon as it closed down here, you would have sold it. And this is support. Where do you take profits? At support. You take it at support. Okay. Did we have one more trade? Yes, we did. Let me show ya. Okay. We had hidden divergence from here all the way down to here. Okay. There it is. Shining like a bright star. Okay. No, that's wrong. Okay, let's move this out of here now. We already showed our example for that. And we need a new arrow where we can buy right in here. And as you can see, it went up and up and up, right back up to 21,400. Okay? And now it's just fooling around. Okay, so anyway, let's now look at the 15-minute trade, okay? Right here is 9:30, the opening candle, 15-minute, okay? We're on the 15-minute. This is the, you know, the open range breakout. Orb. It's orb. Yeah. It kind of sounds like that. This is a biker, very famous biker meal in Canada. They call it gorp. You know what it is? Kraft dinner and mushroom soup. They call it gorp. Anyway, it probably looks like fucking puke in a fucking on your plate. But I heard it's really good. Cheese with mushroom, but our mushroom soup, I know I shouldn't be talking about this up here. It's ruined now. It doesn't even taste like fucking soup. It's just shit, man. Just fucking shit. And the mushroom canned soup, cream of mushroom soup. It used to be so good, and now it just there's no taste to it. And the taste to it, I don't know. It tastes somewhere in between. I don't know, fragrance of some kind and chemicals. That's what it fucking tastes like. I'm not fucking kidding you. There's a lot of companies out there, they're fucking selling us shit. Because, well, you know the whole story behind that, eh? The depopulation. Yeah, they're selling us shit. I won't buy buy it anymore. The mushroom soup. There's all kinds of foods I could name here I wouldn't buy anymore because it's just horrible. If you want to eat good food, you need to go and you need to get, stuff like carrots, green beans. But then again, you eat that's full of chemical spray too for the bugs. We can't win. We can't fucking win. Anyway, let's get back to this here. So here's the high of this fucking, this 15-minute candle. So all you had to do was buy right here and it went up. So if you bought right here, you had drawdown of 30 points. And the best you would have got, you would have got 100. That's the fucking 5th day or something this sucker works. It's quite amazing. Unless it sucks some people in down here to sell it. I don't know. No, wait a minute. No. It had to break this low to be a sell trade. It didn't do that. It was a winner. Chicken dinner. Okay. Let's look at the 5-minute now. All right. This is the NASDAQ 5-minute. We have no divergence here, right? I don't think so. No. There's divergence up here, higher highs, but the trade hasn't even triggered yet because the 5 is still above the 7. See? Right there. That's the trade when it sets up. You got to wait and see if it's going to set up. Okay. Yeah, it's down here somewhere. Let's go to the 1-minute now. And there was a whole bunch of trades in here going up. Maybe I better make that bigger and unscroll it. Yeah. Lower close candle. Next candle. This is on the 1-minute. Buy it. Up it goes. Okay. Yeah. There was that trade. And if you're really bullish up here and you wanted to buy again, well, there was another one. Like somewhere in here. And it went up gradually, but not too far. Then they rammed it down. Actually, what this is right here is what? I know you know the answer. It has something to do with a hook. Yes, indeed. That is a hookup. They took the price back down. They got everybody selling in here, and they took it back up, and up and up and up and up it went. And if you missed that trade, well, you had one more right there. Oh, wrong. Wrong doodah. Sorry. Got to get that the right doodah. Here it is. No, that's not it either. It's a fucking up thing. It's a hookup. Right there, see? Came back up, closed up above the 2 moving averages, and you would have bought it right there. Very little drawdown, and up it goes. Okay? That's it for the 5-minute or 1-minute NASDAQ. Let's now look at the and the P. Oh, look, here's a trade sell right here. Ooh, there's no lower lows to buy, but yeah, there is higher highs up here. And a big swoop down here. And you would have sold it right on the opening of this candle, and you'd be in profit right now. Yeah, right on the opening of that candle. Can it drift lower into the afternoon? I don't know. That's the thing with trading. We know where to get in, but we don't know where to get out. Motherfuckers. Okay. Here is the, what do you call it? The Dow. It's the Dow. Hold on. Yeah, it lines up. It's the one. It's the one. Right here. Boom. And we get ourselves a fresh arrow right there. And so far, it's went down 103 points on the Dow. There should be divergence here to buy, but there isn't. But we do have a lower close. Buy it right there, and up it goes. You would have done good on this trade and this trade. It would have been good. Would have been goody goody gumdrops. Yeah, goody goody. Nummy nummy. Nummy nummy goody goody. Are you fucking crazy? Yes. Sorry. I had to throw that in there. Okay. Fuck. What now? There's no divergence here. That's not right. That's not right. This is the fucking pound. Ah, it's a write-off. Euro have a trade? I don't think so. No. It's just a fucking write-off. It's currencies, man. Pound yen? Oh, there might be something good here. Let's see. Look at this. Higher highs? No, no. This needs to be lower than this side. It's not. So there's no sell trade in here. No sell trade. Anyway, they took it back up, and up it went. So if you were brave enough to give it a go, lower close, buy it, up it goes. So if you did buy it right there, what's the most you could have made? 31 pips. There you have it. Euro yen? Oh, look at the euro yen. It's just doing stupid shit. Yeah, I like that. And we need to plop an arrow on there, which would have been right over here when the 5 crossed down below the 7, and when the price closed down below the 5. Yeah, you're ready to sell it. If you waited for a pullback, that's where you got in. Right there, and it went down a whole 19 pips on the euro yen. Whip-dee-dee. Whip-dee-dee. Whippy-dee. Okay, this is oil now. Doesn't look very good. Yeah, it looks like it fucked everybody. Yeah. That's what they did. Especially this one. They got people selling in here, and up it went, and yeah. Can you see how they purposely push the price this way, that way, up and down real quick? You think it's going down, it goes up. You think it's going up, it goes down. You can see how people want to trade counter trend and not with the trend. You can see that. It's very hard. That's why I trade the 1 minute. Let's just go look at the 1 minute for fun. Okay, this is the 1 minute. Let me squeeze up the chart. And this is oil, okay? We had a triple top right here. 1, 2, 3. Let's try a line on there. Oh, let's make it 4 top, 4x top. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And then it comes down here and you sell it, I don't know. Some of you might look at this as cherry picking. I don't know what else to tell you. There's divergence over here. It's basically a double bottom or lower low by a little bit. Lower lows. And we have this right here. So somewhere in here, I don't know, right here you jumped in. If you jumped in, it only went up 28 points. Oil really sucked today. What did this one give you? Total max potential 38 ticks. Nothing. It's shit, man. What about gold? Oh, the big V, what do they call that? I call it the piece of pie. It looks like a piece of pie to me. Oh, sweet. What's that song? She's my cherry pie. Dun, 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 dun. I love that tune. She's my cherry pie. Oh, yeah. That was nice. That was good. That was the 80s. Yeah, it was the 80s, man. It was good. That's my favorite pie. Like there's apple, blueberry, strawberry, and cherry. My favorite one was always cherry pie. Oh, I loved it. You know, to eat after your dinner at the table. That's what I'm talking about. And if your mind is somewhere else, you put it there. I didn't. I like cherry pie. It's my favorite. And strawberry rhubarb pie, that's good too. And pumpkin pie. And apple pie. I like all the pie. But I can't eat it. I'm diabetic. It'll make me very, very sick if I eat some. So I can't eat it. Yeah. I feel sorry for myself. I can't eat it. Okay, you got one trade here. Oh no, there's another one. Right here. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Okay. And then we had, oh, this is going to be bad. Bitcoin. Oh, it's staying below. Staying below there, eh, you fuckers. Come on, let's see the numbers change. Yeah, there's orders going through. XRP, yeah, I knew it was going to come back down again. I seen this pin bar, I go, oh yeah, they're going to do the same thing like they did with this huge motherfucking pin bar. They're going to take it back down again. Yeah, this is their reason and excuse to take it back down, get a better price. And when will it rally up? Maybe it won't. Maybe it's just going to go into a bear trend now, like it did in 2017 after it hit all-time highs. It went into a bear trend, and they dragged all of us through the mud right to the fucking bottom. You know what I'm saying? Like, see? Right down here. No, that's not the one. That's 24. That's this one. I think we need to go look at the weekly. Yeah, it's right over here. No, that's 21. Do I have to go to the monthly? I guess so. Here's the big run up right here. See, and then they dragged us all into the fucking mud down here. You see that? And this here too. They dragged us into the mud. And then we had this beautiful fucking rally that they're fucking selling off now. Fuckers. I don't know. I still think it's everybody talks about it, but maybe because everybody's talking about it, they're bringing it down to scare them all out of their trades. All the retail traders, or you know, all the ones who trade with margin, you shouldn't even be trading with margin. You should just, if you're going to trade something, I'm not a financial advisor, but this thing here, you don't trade on margin. You'll lose all your money. That's how you lose money in futures and forex. There's margin. That fucks you every fucking time. The margin. Don't trade anywhere where there's margin. Because if you do, even though I'm telling you to, I'm not telling you to do it every day, but you know what I mean? I'm showing you the setups, you know, for margin markets. These margin markets are what kill traders. And that's it, and that's all. That's why I've been in XRP since way the fuck over here, 2017. See 2017 down here? I got in right here when it came fucking back down. I didn't get in it before that. I never even heard of fucking XRP before that. It was my it was my business partner at the time. He told me about XRP and I got in and it fucking went down here, you know, like I was in losses, but I wasn't worried because I didn't have it on a margin account. I bought the coins. You don't fucking trade on margin. You want to do something crazy like that, you just go trade fucking gold or fucking the NASDAQ and you'll lose your money. You know what I mean? But XRP, yeah, it's like stock. You buy them, you hold them, and then you cash them in. That's it. That's all. So anyway, thank you for listening, and if you liked what I had to say today, please hit the like button, and have a good afternoon. Good luck and good trading.